Good morning, friends. Welcome to Daily Sourdough. I just showed you how to make delicious milk kefir, and now I decided I'd love to share with you my morning peach milkshake made with this very fresh kefir. And since it's peach season, that's my all-time favorite shake anyway. Let's get started by first peeling a couple of nice large peaches. And if you're making this for your whole family, then be sure and make a whole blender full because it's gonna be devoured. But if you're making it just for yourself, then 1 or 2 large peaches is plenty. Pop them in your blender. These peaches are just fresh off the tree, so this is gonna be good. Then I always add an orange because the orange, it adds extra vitamin C, lots of fiber, some beautiful color, but on top of that, it really enhances the peach flavor. Peach and orange go great together. I just love fruit, and I love fruit shakes. It's just so cleansing and nourishing in the morning. After your long fast through the night, this is a great way to hydrate your body, nourish your body, cleanse your body. Fruit, it's the ultimate food. Today I decided to put a couple of little strawberries in. They just add a little sweetness and color, and then a piece of avocado. And avocado, is a great fat, healthy fat to add to all this fruit. And also, if you notice, when you put the piece of avocado in, it makes the whole shake a creamier texture. Because I'm going to be adding ice, and instead of having an icy texture, then it has a creamy texture. It just feels very nice in your mouth, plus lots of added nutrients. Now, I'm going to add about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of this fresh milk kefir. And I forgot to mention in the video where I showed you how to make the milk kefir. When you add the grains to your milk, it needs to ferment on the counter for 24 hours. But just prop your lid on top of your jar, don't screw it down. This allows any of the bacteria and yeast in the air to enter into the jar. Plus, you don't want to, because it's fermenting, you don't want any of that expansion to put pressure on your glass jar. But then, since I'm not going to use all of this that I made, I'll screw the lid on tight and put it in the refrigerator, and I'll probably make biscuits with it later. And then today also, I have a little bit of homemade honey yogurt, so I'm going to add that too because that will help sweeten up that milk kefir. But to me, adding yogurt alone is not enough. I really want all the benefits of that milk kefir. It's just leaps and bounds above any other fermented food, milk like yogurt or sour cream, because it has billions of colonies of little microbiotics working away to heal your gut. Now I'll put some ice in this and we'll blend it up. And if you've had a really tough workout this morning, then a scoop of vanilla protein powder in it is a really nice addition as well. So add whatever you like to it and dish up, because this is a very refreshing drink for first thing in the morning. so full of great nutrition. Just think of all the goodness in this glass. Oh my goodness. It's tart, it's sweet, it's fruity, so good. Creamy, oh my goodness. You're gonna love it. So drink up, friends, and be sure to stay tuned to Daily Sourdough because I have more recipes ready to show you on how to use your sourdough starter on a daily basis.